Thanks for joining me for another episode of Numbers with Kitty Cat. That's me, Kitty Cat. Hey, you want to know something? Coal is king, but not everywhere. In the United States, coal makes 39% of our electricity. It's burned in a power plant and the heat is used to boil water. The steam moves a turbine and generates electricity. In West Virginia, over 90% of the electricity is generated from coal. But in California, only 1% of electricity is generated from the fossil fuel. Okay, dinos, that's a little something about energy today. Now on to our worksheets. Are you ready? Okay. First, let's grab our favorite color crayon and write our names. By the way, dinos, you're doing great at writing your name. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Now, let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it one more time. Color the animal according to the number codes. First, it says 1 is red, 2 is green, 3 is yellow. One more time. 1 is red, 2 is green, 3 is yellow. First, let's grab our red crayons and color where it says 1 red. The T-Rex's mouth is red because he's that's right, a carnivore, meaning he eats meat. Now it says 2 is green. So wherever it says 2, let's grab our green crayon and color it green. Great job, dinos, at coloring inside the lines. Even if you're not, I know you're trying and you're doing such a great job at it. Thank you for joining me every week. Now we are coloring the arms because it says 2. So 2 is green, and therefore we are coloring it green. And now the body and the legs is left. Great job, dinos. Okay, now that we're done coloring the whole body green, what's next? It says 3 is yellow. It seems like the spikes are all that's left, so let's grab our yellow crayons and color the spikes yellow. Whoa, great job at coloring that T-Rex, dinos. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode of Numbers with Kitty Cat. Bye, my dinos. Just remember, I'm so proud of you. Bye.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks.